What's up, y'all? It's your boy. You know who it is.
Call me Bounce.
I'm back again, yo. Got a new one for y'all, right? So this is Control with Keith and Q by Too Chill. I just want to get into this, but first off, yo, let's talk about this fire pixel art, bro. Look at that. That is fire pixel art. That is like beautiful. I could see that in a book, or that was an animated pixel art movie, dog. You know, maybe giving out little ideas. You feel me? Little animated pixel art movie, bro. Like that draw go crazy. I swear on everything. But yo, without further ado, dog, let's get into it. Ooh. Jeez, Jesus is right. You see what flavor is this track? Yo, somebody said marry me. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Yo, this is crazy. Yeah, let's switch up. Said what? Two go, yeah, two go right. Ooh. I hear those fusion-based chords in the background. Woo! Say, take us underwater real quick. Yeah, it's a fire collab. It was right, dog. It is right. Those are hit different. Let's go is right, bro. Let's go. I'm ready at 8 p.m. in a restaurant. So let's go, bro. This is fire. Bro. This is fire. Oh my gosh, bro. Boy, oh boy. This is someone explain. Explain! Let's switch up again. Those 808s feel like 8-bitty. And like a bubblegum, low key. Ooh, this outro. Ooh, this outro. This outro, dog. That was fire, dog. I really enjoyed that, bro. Hey, you know what it is, bro. You know what it is, dog.
As it's written.
As written in stone, dog. That drawing was fire, bro. Really enjoyed that, yo. Keith and Cube, Too Chill, y'all went off on this one, dog. This one was fire, y'all. We're gonna have to go in. Oh my gosh, yeah, you gotta go check this out. Go check this out, dog. Link in the description, dog. You know who it is. It's your.
Call me Bounce.
Until next time, y'all. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace and love, dog.